There's a few things you should always keep in your car for safety: a first aid box, a roadside safety kit, and a portable battery jumper like this week's feature product, the 300 amp jump and carry from Solar. Once the weather dips below zero, not only can a dead battery be a chilly inconvenience, but in our cold Canadian weather, it can also be a matter of life or death. This 12-volt jumper provides 300 amps of starting power with a peak of 1,000 amps, letting this little guy power up most vehicles up to a V6 engine, even if the battery is completely dead. Not only does the compact size make it easy to store in a glove box, but Solar also equips this unit with their Max Access clamps, which have a smaller footprint, allowing you to hook onto the battery no matter how cramped it is under the hood. There's also an onboard flashlight to help troubleshooting in the dark, or to grab another vehicle's attention by turning on the strobe mode. Don't worry if your phone's dead too, as there's a handy USB port so you can call up a tow truck when you've inevitably ended up stuck in the ditch. Not enough power for you? Solar also offers larger models of the jump and carry with up to 4,000 peak amps and 550 start assist amps, letting you boost most V8 engines. So let's gear up for winter with this week's feature product, the 300 amp jump and carry from Solar. Ever been in a situation where this little booster would have saved the day? Let me know in the comment section, and be sure to follow so you can stay up to date on our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.